Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year. I can't believe it's here already, and we're in a brand new year and a brand new quarter. And today I wanted to share with you something that I remembered when I first started my sales career with some great advice. It's called the 6P formula from Brian Tracy. And it's simply this: prior proper planning prevents poor performance. Try saying that one 6 times fast. But basically, the idea is if you have prior preparation, then all the rest falls into place. So, my grace advice for today is prepare or repair, right? We're in a brand new year. So, hopefully, you're prepared. You have a plan in place and you're ready to go and execute on that now that the first quarter has started for most of us. So, just want a quick reminder again to either prepare or repair, because if you don't have your plan in place, you're going to have to go and repair the things that you didn't do leading up to this moment. So hopefully you guys are on target. And again, really, when it comes down to prospecting and generating new revenue, it comes down to three things. One, are you on target with the people that you're reaching out to with your ICP? Two, is your timing good? Now that's hard to determine. So maybe you have some intent data, maybe you have some different compelling events, or maybe you're using an AI virtual assistant to help you with some of that. And then the third piece is personalization. To stick out in today's noisy, crowded environment, you got to personalize and you got to be relevant to the folks that you're reaching out to have those conversations that are going to connect. So good luck again today, and I hope you prepare so you don't have to repair.